Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well guys, as you can see, the market has drifted slightly lower yesterday. That was not drastic correction, but still some shy downward continuation has followed. And right now, if you remember, as we have estimated previously, right now market stands at the rock hard support, since this is daily confidence support and agreement with this A, B, C, top, D target. Also, that's the weekly pivot support one and daily oversold. So odds suggest that some retracement could follow here from this area. And our concern yesterday was mostly around the patterns. What patterns could trigger the upward retracement? Yes, we have said about the Jet-Napoli stretch pattern, although it mostly calls as the pattern, but in general this is mostly the condition. It's just the area where market reaches the oversold at some fib support area, and that's mostly the condition of the market that assumes that strong support could force market to show some retracement. And the concern around the pattern is still valid, and we will take a look at intraday charts to see whether we have got any patterns or not. Currently, guys, I think that market stands at the moment that if it will fail here again and will show another leg down, in this case probably we should be ready for moving right to the weekly oversold and to the next our major target on the larger scale is the weekly on the weekly chart is the yearly pivot support one that stands around 130.60 area, so 100 pips lower, and currently market stands. Although currently market has not bad chances to show bounce, but if it will not show the bounce right from this really strong support and will pass through it without no respect, that will just tell us how weak market is. And in this case, we easily could expect the reaching of the next support is 130.60. But that will be already the support of another scale, since that will be yearly pivot support one, and that will be in this level currently accompanied with a weekly oversold. So currently all eyes on this current level and what we could get here. Also, guys, it's interesting that since market has shown slightly lower action, that has led to different resistances coincide in the particular level. So you can see that right now the nearest fib resistance 133.60 are a match with weekly pivot resistance one and daily overbought. Also, guys, take a look at if we will apply the harmonic swings and we'll measure this swing up, clone it and drag it to this area, you'll see that this retracement points on the same areas, 133.60 area. That will be our first destination of the possible retracement. Currently, it's difficult to suggest whether market will follow to the 135 or not, but that we will treat this level as the high probability level if retracement will start. Now let's take a look what patterns market could give us. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I have found nothing except this bullish wedge pattern. So that's falling wedge is potentially bullish. Trend has shifted bullish here. This if any breakout will follow, well, that probably could be the pattern that we expected to get. On the hourly chart, the situation is even more interesting, since on the hourly chart we have bullish divergence right at the strong weekly support. Remember this. And take a look. We have the butterfly buy. 1618 butterfly buy. Here we have unfilled gap. Very often the butterfly buy could become the part of something bigger. And as usual, butterfly buy becomes the part of the reverse head and shoulders pattern. So if we will get this some sort of the head and shoulders or something of that sort, we could get some ABCD up that could start move to the upside, and then at least will lead to the closing of the gap. But maybe it will lead us to completing of this 133.60 area. That's also possible, if here we will get something bigger. Okay, but that probably could be the starting moment, the starting point of the retracement, because currently, guys, I've not seen anything else what could happen. If this setup will fail, market will left gap unfilled and will continue move lower and lower. In this case, since we have the confidence support on the weekly chart around 132 20 area approximately, so we consider the market already stands below it, and if it will continue move lower, that probably will be too much. It's approximately 100 pips for the weekly confidence support. It's mostly stands at the edge of the breakout, so this will be too significant piercing of the daily of the weekly confidence support, and in this case we probably will have to shift to another target, as I said, to 130.60. But right now, as market shows some signs of the strength, some bullish patterns around it, so I think that the chances on the possible bounce still valid and still could happen. That's why I think that our previous analysis is still valid, and we will still deal with this possible bounce up today trading session and maybe till the end of the week. So let's see what will happen. But currently, as you can see, EUR shows not bad chances on the possible bounce.